Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. I hope you enjoy what I got. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is my $25 flea market haul for the week. It doesn't look like much, but we got some pretty good stuff in there. I say we jump right into this and see what we got. This I know is a bunch of mix match sockets, and it is in a Craftsman case, so we'll go through that, figure out what we got in there. I said we just start pulling wrenches and stuff out. This is a Crescent, I believe it's a LS14 USA. It's a half-inch breaker bar, T-bar. It's in pretty good shape. I don't collect Crescent, but this will go into a tote specifically for Crescent, and we'll just start making a Crescent pile, I guess. Here's a obstruction wrench or manifold wrench, whatever you want to call it. It's 9/16 and 5/8. This is Durochrome 2081. Why does Durochrome sound familiar? That kind of sounds like an AutoZone type wrench or something along those lines. Alright, so we'll set that off in its own little pile. We've got a, well, that says D2. This is a tappet style little wrench. One side is half-inch. Durochrome. I can't read the other side. It says something, I can't read it. It's a tappet style Durochrome. Got some tape around the top of it. What do we got here? This is a half-inch and 9/16. This is a Blue Point Supreme. That's a nice wrench. It looks like it says S-1618 USA. So, nice little Blue Point. We got as a Craftsman here. This is a 9/16 combination. Double line. Forged in the US. Double line V. Got us another T-bar. What's this one? We got a duplicate. We got the same Crescent T-bar. Well, I guess we are going to be starting a Crescent bin here. We got us a half-inch breaker bar made in the USA. This is SK Wayne 402. I want to say 5.3. This is in relatively good shape. Knurling's not very pronounced. It doesn't have a flared out handle. It's just pretty plain Jane, to be honest with you, for an SK. But detent works good. Listen to that. Oh yeah. That works real good. Cool. I don't think I have a SK breaker bar that looks like this. I've got a couple of SK breaker bars, but not this style, so I'll throw it in my SK stuff. I got us a Craftsman double box. This is 3/4 and 5/8 double line V. It's not in perfect shape or nothing, but it's a Craftsman. We got us a nice half-inch. Wow, that sounds good. Another Crescent. LS70. There is a patent number on there. Made in the USA. This does feel pretty substantial. See if I can read the, yeah, LS70. This thing's pretty clean, guys. I don't have a lot of crescent tools. I usually just don't even bother picking it up. But yeah, that's actually pretty nice. That kind of feels good in the hand, with the exception of the actual handle itself. It's a bit too square. But I'm sure that's something you get used to, you know. Let's see, what do we got here? A large extension. This is probably 12 inch. It is 3/8 extension. It's another Crescent Lifetime. It looks like LY13 USA. 12 inch 3/8 Crescent extension. Well, I'm just murdering the Crescent stuff today. I got another one of these refrigeration wrenches. There's just a patent number on it, and I will put that right here if you guys want to see that. And I also have a, I guess it would be a model number. I'll also put that right here if you guys want to look this up. Because other than that, there is nothing else written on this. Well, it says oil with a little hole, but that's it. I'll leave it to you guys to figure it out. I think it's funner anyway that way. Let's see, we got as a, oh, here we go. Bonnie Con 3/8 combination. A nice little combination wrench. I guess I'll start that pile right there. I got a Upland 9/16 combination. I don't know if you guys saw that Bonnie pretty good, but there we go. What's this one? Another Durochrome. Number 1731A. Durochrome. 3/4 and 7/8. Forged in the USA. It's actually a good looking wrench though. Where's the Durochrome pile? Right there. Yeah, for some reason Durochrome, in my head it sounds like it's gonna be like a like an AutoZone or something like that wrench. I can't read. It's 1/4 inch and 5/16 maybe. Benzomatic. Little tiny box wrench. Let's see, we got another Durochrome. This is 3/4, 7/8, number 2054, forged in the US, offset, double box. Again, it's a good looking wrench. What's this one? Oh, here we go. 5/8 and 11/16, Industro Super. Quite cool. This is number 732, forged in the US. It's quite awesome. I like industrial. Oh, what is this? Looks like it's 1 inch and 15/16. Oh, it's a Williams Super Wrench. Double box, offset. Quite nice. Not bad. We're doing all right for 25 bucks, guys, so far. Not too bad. What is this? Another Durochrome. What is up with the Durochrome? 11/16 and 5/8 tappet style. Real thin, man. This thing, I feel like I can just bend it with my hand. What's this one? Got a 9/16 and 5/8 double box. straight double box, and the brand is Lifetime LTB 1820. I don't think I've ever heard of Lifetime. Forged in the US. Huh. What do we got here? 1/2 inch combination. This is a Barcelo. Quite nice. What's this one? 9/16 and 5/8, forged in the US, double line Craftsman. And that again is straight boxed. It's not really offset too much. That's a nice wrench right there. I like that one. I got another ratchet. Oh, we got as a Bonnie Con USA ZT-702K. This is a 3/8. Ooh, sounds good. Selector works. Sounds a little dry in there, but other than that, that's nice. That's real nice. Bonnie Con. See if that's going to show up for us. Probably not, because why would it, right? I knew I had another Bonnie. There we go. Let's see. Got a pair of vice grips. These are what does that say? Proto 294 WP. Proto vice grips. Nice. Quite sweet. Got a Allied, a number 21. Got a socket rail. Go over these real quick. They are all Craftsman. Yep, all Craftsman. So we got a rail of Craftsman here. Not bad. I got one of these waste of time. Let's see, we got us a, what size is that? Whew. So small I can't even read it. But it's a Craftsman double line V. Little tiny sucker. This is a Billings Vitaloy, made in the US. 3/4 and 7/8. Very nice. Again, this is a straight double box. Pretty cool. Another ratchet. I know what this is right off the bat. S52 Super Ratchet. This is a 1/2 inch. J.H. Williams and Company. Boy, that sounds good. Again, dry. Dry but good. That's quite cool. Happy to have this. Quite cool indeed. Yeah, we did really good for 25 bucks so far. Let me go take this to the wire wheel real quick. This is a pipe wrench. I have no idea who made it or anything, so give me 1 second. Alright, with a real quick inspection here, I believe it's a 10-inch Walworth. Walco pipe wrench. Walco. What's this side say? This side says Walworth. Walworth Company, made in USA. Well, got a pipe wrench. Probably just resell it, but yeah, little 10-inch pipe wrench. Let's see, I got another wrench in here. What's this one? This is CH14. No idea what that is. 7/16 combination. I can't read a name on that to save my life. It's a Mac. Huh. Well, that's cool. Alright. What's this little guy? Williams Super Ratchet. Super wrench. A little 1/4-inch spinner. This thing's kind of crappy. We got us a Craftsman speed wrench. This is 1/2 inch V. Looks like double line V. There's got to be some serial numbers or something on it somewhere. I can't see it right now, but yeah, Craftsman double line V. And last but not least for the wrenches, this is a Proto 5480 1/2 inch speed wrench. Quite cool to get this. Quite cool to get anything Proto, to be honest with you. I think what we're going to do, we're going to clean up these wrenches, move them off to the side, and get all the sockets out, and then we can see what we got there. Give me a minute. So this is our undesirable pile. That's pretty substantial. This is our little Craftsman pile. Put those in there. I'm definitely going to keep the adapter. Those are always handy. This is the Daytons. I'm going to keep those. Just like I said, because I know that there's guys out there that collect it. I'm probably going to clean this Craftsman box up. It's in relatively good shape. I just wish I had like an insert for it, but start right here. This is a single line Craftsman 3/4. Where's Craftsman? There it is. This is a 2-line V Craftsman 13/16. These are all spark plug wrenches, I think, or just Craftsman single line G 7/8. Another Craftsman 13/16 double line V. What do we got here? I've seen this one before. Yep, it's a Mac. Got as a Mac. That's pretty cool. Maybe this is where the guys were putting all their good stuff, because we got a New Britain. Quite cool. Can't read the size. I want to say it's 7/16, 12 point. New Britain. All right. I know what this is right off the bat. This is a snap-on. This is a 1/2 inch. I want to say it's TW161. 1/2 inch snap-on. 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. What do we got here? Got us a 1/2 inch swivel New Britain. That's quite cool. Didn't I just have a New Britain? Yeah, right there. So I got 2 New Britons, a snap-on, and a Mac out of here so far. What is this? We got us probably a 6-inch extension. This is Craftsman single line G. That slid right out of my hand. I apologize, guys. What is this? Oh, we got us a 6-inch 3/8 Industrial. Quite nice. There's a extension with a socket on there. This is oh, this is a Husky. I'd say it's 2-inch, 3-inch, 3/8, and a Husky socket, 7/16. I'll keep that on there. Oh, what do we got here? This is nice and shiny. This thing looks like it's brand spanking new, never used. Another Mac. That's quite cool. Where was the other one? Right there. Got another swivel. Try and read anything on this stuff. It's so... I see it says 7/16. Yeah, I can't read a name on that. That's just going to go in the non-desirables. We got as a Flea 3/4-inch Flea, 12-point. We got another Flea. This is 1/2-inch, 12-point by 1/2-inch. What is this one? Yeah, this little tin here is where they kept all their good stuff, I guess. I swear this says Snap-on. No, it doesn't. It says Cornwall. Snap-on. That was funny. Got us a crescent. Little knuckle. Where was the other crescents? Oh, they're over there. Okay. What is this? This one's gonna have to go on a wire wheel, and so is this one. Give me 2 seconds. All right. Well, this one is a 5/8 Snap-on impact, and this one was a Cornwall. So did I have an? Yeah, I had another Snap-on there. It's just gonna go in there. What is this one? Well, I can't read this one either, but it's 3/8 to 1/4. It even has the little ball detent there, so I'm just going to throw this in the keep pile because, well, I always need those. Taiwan. This is a right 3/4. That's cool. It's a big sucker. This is a right 6/132, 1-inch. Looks like 3/4 by 1. There's another right 4030, 15/16. 1/2-inch. What is this one? This one looks like a right as well. Nope. This is a Herbrand 13/16, her brand. Another Cornwall. I got another right. This is 3618. This is a 9/16. I'm doing pretty good here now, guys. Got as a Craftsman double V single line. Can't see a size on it. Another Craftsman single line V 7/16. Quite a few Craftsmans in this haul. Another Craftsman. This is 10 millimeter. Definitely gonna hang on to that one. Taiwan. This is a Craftsman double line V 7/16. This is a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. This is Craftsman. Gonna hang on to that one too. Telling you, those adapters, I always need them, and I can never find them when I need them. Oh, here we go, another adapter. This is 3/8 to 1/4 inch Craftsman. Just says Craftsman, that's weird. Got us another knuckle here. What is this? This is another Craftsman, 1/2 inch. It's in pretty good shape. It's not sloppy or nothing. Another Craftsman. This is a single line V 9/16. Killing it with the 9/16 today, guys. China. Double line V Craftsman. Another 9/16. Craftsman double line, single line V Craftsman 9/16 and 13/16. Single line V Craftsman 1/4 inch. We got double line V Craftsman 3/4. It just says Craftsman. I'm sure there's a size, but it's so faded. This one's 1/2 inch Craftsman double line V 12 point, and another Craftsman adapter 1/4 inch to 3/8. Quite cool. Hang on to that. And of course, let me get all the crap out of this box. And of course, we got this cool little Craftsman tin. So, not too bad. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to put in the comment section what you think your favorite find of today was. Me personally, it would have to be the Williams Super Ratchet. This is just a cleanup away from going right in my drawer and being a user. So, pretty excited about that. I do apologize about not getting more with the flea market haul today, but all I saw was wrenches, ratchets, and sockets. So I can only pick what I can see, and that's what I got today. Hopefully next week is better. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you guys next week with another. Bye.